A tried and true Bitcoin metric is calling for more losses. The US and UK shake hands on cross-border crypto regulations. Cardano's Testnet rolls out the VASIL hard fork. Kyber Network has a huge rest of the year ahead. Vauld is the latest platform to pull the plug on transactions, and Kuwait's Warba bank is making a splash in the Metaverse. Here's your Altcoin Buzz news. Hi, I'm Natalie and welcome to Altcoin Buzz. Altcoin Buzz is a crypto investing research company, so we're here to bring you the latest crypto updates for your trades and investments. And as early investors in the crypto space, we have an eye for potential opportunities that we want to share with you. Altcoin Buzz Access Pro is a hub for direct info on early gems, technical analysis, NFT mint opportunities, and more, with plans starting at $99 a month. And you can sign up below or right here on the link on the screen. And please smash the like, subscribe, and notification buttons so you're always up to date with our news, deep dives, and great offers. Just keep in mind that this is not investment advice. So let's get to the news. Rumblings of Bitcoin needing to find another dip to get to its bottom are getting louder and louder. At the moment, Bitcoin's range has been slipping little by little, with the token coming back to the mid-$19,000 mark. And new figures from on-chain analytics firm Glassnode says that a low of 15K could be Bitcoin's final capitulation event. Glassnode says that the tried and true MVRV-Z score has yet to come back to its base. And once that happens, trends commonly show a price reversal as a result. Have a look at this chart. The MVRV score is the market value to realized value metric, meaning this metric follows Bitcoin's spot price in relation to its fair value price. And when you add the Z component, you divide the difference between the market and realized value with the standard deviation of the market cap. And when we follow this metric, Bitcoin has typically hit its bottom when the market has been greater than its realized cap by about 30%. And that difference happens to be at $15,600, the latest prediction for Bitcoin's bottom. And this metric happens to be one of the most accurate Bitcoin top and bottom prediction tools, and not a bad idea to keep in your back pocket. The United States and United Kingdom are officially laying the groundwork for cross-border crypto regulations. Both the U.S. Treasury Department and Her Majesty's Treasury met back on June 29th and now have established a US-UK Financial Innovation Partnership, or FIP, that will be in charge of these crypto regulations. What we know so far is that it's reported that the FIP will attempt to have a cooperable stablecoin and digital asset trading lending platform, as well as coming up with new approaches to each nation's central bank digital currency plans. These are just the first steps for this cross-border crypto regulation, so stay with us for more updates. The VASIL hard fork is finally live on Cardano's Testnet, which means that the network is just one step away from a successful launch of this highly anticipated upgrade. This testnet launch was delayed by a few weeks, but Cardano made the move in due time on July 3rd at 2020 UTC time. With this launch, developers, exchanges, stake pool operators, and the rest of the Cardano team will have about 4 weeks to tinker with VASIL and ensure that its integrations are running smoothly. And like I said, this is considered as Cardano's biggest upgrade yet, with the mainnet VASIL hard fork promising faster block creation and much more vast scalability for Cardano's dApps. Kyber Network is working on some big milestones this year. The multi-chain crypto trading and liquidity hub that connects liquidity from different sources is on track to grow its Kyber Swap DEX aggregator, launch a brand new Kyber Swap Elastic feature, and put a bow on its 5-year anniversary in the crypto space. In case you haven't heard of it, the Kyber Swap DEX aggregator has become one of the most integrated and efficient aggregator swaps out there. Kyber Swap operates on 11 chains, including Avalanche, Polygon, Binance, and BitTorrent. There's access to over 20,000 tokens across 80+ decentralized exchanges. And Kyber Swap has reached over $8 billion in trading volume. Now, this is all while being completely permissionless and ensuring safety, especially in these turbulent times. And now more than ever, Kyber Network is working on maintaining its vision of making DeFi accessible, fast, safe, and rewarding for all users. Kyber is getting it done through its new tools like its amplification factor and discover feature on Kyber Swap, as well as the incoming Kyber Swap Elastic protocol, which will give unparalleled flexibility, security, and returns for liquidity providers on the 11 supported chains. Now, like I said, this is a big year for Kyber Network, so keep an eye out for more Kyber Swap integrations on more chains and dexes. Another crypto network has pulled the plug on transactions. Today, Singaporean trading platform Vauld has paused all withdrawals, trading, and deposits for users. In a Twitter thread, Vauld says that this decision was made because of financial troubles from the crypto market crash, on top of added volatility from the Terra USD stablecoin crash, Three Arrows Capital defaulting on loans and officially declaring bankruptcy, and Celsius Network starting the trend of halting network activity, which has led to nearly $198 million in customer withdrawals since June 12th. With the announcement, Vauld says that it has started working with financial and legal advisors for next steps, as well as opening the door for new investors and restructuring plans. And lastly, the Sandbox and Decentraland have welcomed another central bank to the Metaverse. Kuwait's Warba Bank is entering the Metaverse through both platforms with virtual land purchases in both areas. And this is a first for the nation of Kuwait as well as for Islamic banks. And it's a step towards being able to enhance its communication with the younger and more tech-savvy demographic. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz News Update. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights for your crypto investing, please smash the like, subscribe, and notification buttons to get all our latest content. And have a look at the other updates and deep dives on our channel. Here's some videos to get started with. As always, this is not financial advice, but we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thanks for watching and see you next time.